Hi, my name's John. It's the first Sunday of the month, so it's time for the monthly giveaway. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if I can find a winner. Right, Foxtrot Oscar 123. All you've got to do is send me an email. That's my email up there with your address, and I'll get those wonderful prizes posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another monthly giveaway. I'm going to do them every month as long as I can keep doing them and I keep getting things to be given away. If you want to enter the giveaway, it's very simple. All you've got to do is watch the video, which I'm obviously doing. In the description box or in the comment box even, you need to write the following comment. 2024 giveaway 12. 2024 giveaway 12. Just like that up there. That goes into my computer and it will pick out a random name and we'll have another winner. I'm going to show the prizes for December's draw. It's like a Christmassy one, so there's one or two special bits and pieces. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. I set them on the lathe because my benches are that cluttered with shite I can't get on them. Anyway, first thing is a little deburring tool, courtesy of my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. A normal set of Cleveland twist drills. I don't get these given, I've got to buy them. They really are good drills. We've got the anchor lube, donated by one of my viewers. If you want to buy some anchor lube, just go on eBay, type in anchor lube and you'll find it. Sort of the star prize is this Starrett depth mic. Instead of being round blades, it's got flat blades. I've already got an Imperial depth gauge, which is good if not better than this. It's pointless having two. This was given to me pure and simply to be given away. And of course there is a double boost hat. If you don't win the hat and you want one, that's the item number top of the screen for the eBay item. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please do so. Anyway, thanks for watching.